Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Privy for Shopify pop-ups and lead capture, full guide step by step clearly. Once there, locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign-up process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Then, create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. After entering your credentials, click on the Create Account button. Next, you will be asked to provide some information about your Shopify store. Enter the name of your Shopify store as requested. You may also need to provide your store's URL. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click Continue. You will be directed to the Privy dashboard. Here, you can explore various features offered by Privy. To integrate with your Shopify store, look for the Integrations option. Click on Integrations, then select Shopify from the list. Follow the prompts to connect Privy to your Shopify account. You may be asked to log into your Shopify store for this process. After logging in, grant the required permissions for Privy. Once the integration is successful, return to the Privy dashboard. Navigate to the Campaigns section to create your first pop-up. Click on Create New Campaign. Choose the type of campaign you want to set up, such as a pop-up or flyout. Follow the step-by-step instructions to customize your campaign. Add an engaging title and content to attract visitors. Set up your design preferences, including colors and fonts. In the settings, define your targeting criteria for when the pop-up should appear. Once you're satisfied with your campaign setup, click on Save. Your campaign will now be live on your Shopify store. Monitor its performance through the Analytics section in Privy. Make adjustments as needed to optimize your lead capture efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.